morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, please. I want to see the video.
Of course, everybody need to see the video. So you have to write me. When I will still distribute it. It's free of charge. Yes.
Right. Lolo's prayer is working.
Yeah, of course, it's really working, no, because I think yesterday Lolo breakfasting and the matter was proven out yesterday. I think he's working. Yes, we can see. Fasting and prayer is the best. Super. No problem, my lady. Just write me.
Okay,
Yeah, all right. We need to the share and free of charge. We need to the guy. Yeah. We need to. Vera, not share the video again. It's okay. They are better walk by it. It's okay.
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
Why go shock you? He's not supposed to shock you. He's not supposed to shock you. Share this video, my people. When you go say the matter, they shock you. Me don't understand. Send me the video. Yeah, I never send I give you. You know, you had me. Now the video is available anytime, any day. Come and grab your copy now. Come and grab your copy. You don't need to waste time. Come and grab your copy now. So I'm gonna share this video, my people. Share this video. Give love and like, guys. Make sure you give love and like. Share this video. And today is the first time. Don't forget to follow this page. So my people. So many people we not they lie for this platform. When you see, even when baby boy they lie, say video when I bring now lie, picture when I bring now lie. Later should be I bring audio to prove. Another one they bomb they come. Another one I thought I say now two. Another one they come. That one never know then I pay for release that one. Whether I see normal go release that one everywhere so bob, everywhere stew, everywhere made the medal. No say me the chest stand. I them my ask what they bring and can't give me. So you know because they say if you know say you don't need that, not be by force to come around though. Not be by force to come around. The other one, the second one, the same that come. That one can be bomb blast anytime, any day. But I will decide I will go take bomb blast that one. So my people, when I was saying this social media, when you know say me they not find, you not find person. They say who bend down, they look person. Yeah, she forgets another person day. When see they look your as well. So my beautiful people, right now, guys, another one day I greet you. Yes, so good afternoon. You are welcome. Promise, you are welcome. So I'm gonna share this video, my people. So the updates, my people, when the day ground, because I don't understand when this set of people go they do evil. Who they call me? I've never want to receive call. Oh, my bro. Oh, now you I go send I give you now. That one for sure. Hello, how you doing?
Morning, ma.
Morning, how your side?
Send me the video.
Okay, I'll send and give you. I dey enjoy the video. No see, say I promise say they enjoy the video. But what man? Una go say something now. They ask where person first. I don't understand. But the way this slide, they say evil no good. When they do evil, people they around when they vex for evil when they do another person. Because we on our blood with they use. Now blood with they use. So share this video. Good afternoon. Is it there available? This our brother. So you supposed get on now. Why? Come. Oh wow, no see show for you. You be call. Share this video, guys. Share this video. And what I need to do, I need to write you first before you feel receiver. I'll first write you first. Many people don't start to the right this morning. Share this video, my people. So I imagine some people want call they cry like I don't understand. When you know say me who be this one and not they call me. Whoever will call him, they're not calling, please. Now so I tell disturb me yesterday. People call it say maybe I they lie. I be not they lie. More wait, they not go wait. No call, please. Wait first. Me first send and give. Only one person now wants send and give. I don't need distraction. Vera Kate is pregnant for one Ghanaian Man, yeah, Bokbo, Okbo, Akbo Miliki. Are you telling me the truth? Who they call now? Hello. Share this video, guy. Hello. Hello. Oh, you didn't call me. I did live video. Share this video, guy.
I know, beg you should send me the video, man.
I understand I give you yesterday. No, say I saw go they repeat too. I'll send that one later. I did live video. Okay, I'll check on here. You write me. No, I don't send I give many people now.
I don't write you.
Write me I. Okay, write me I. Share this video, guys. I don't need to call. I'm not call again, I beg. So my people, this life, share this video, give love and like. I don't watch Oh, now it be that. Thank you. We not the live for this platform. And one thing is that some people they tell say, I beg. The update when I want to talk about the video yesterday, we they come there because on that one another Ogboge matter, and we need to debate on it. We need to stop this oppression. When people they lie me that the oppressors, when they shook out for our eye, when I go there they clap hands. When they do evil, they bring people details out. When I go those evil people will be there clapping, rejoicing. That kind one cannot be possible. This one and people will be say she don't see offend when they hate and when they if they see what they'll take fire. I take my house so the boy I not time. I not be our portion because he don't do the one when he pass this one. Who be this one when they call now? Why he call him? Maybe send they we know. Hello.
Hello, sister.
Hello.
Good afternoon, man.
Afternoon.
Yesterday, I beg me you send me the video. I put the live. I did your live video.
No problem. I send that one later. This I send her for now. So they be sometimes they repeat two people. You know. Now 5 they accept. I'll send them. I'll send them. Okay.
Okay.
So my people, share this video, guys. Share it, my people. So they imagine because this line, I mean they say evil no good. When you try to bring somebody down, you plan evil. If you reach short of people go see bring her. Me, I did my ass 3 days ago. Now people call me say, Vera, I bet you go launch this matter, launch her mouth. I cannot hesitate because me dem my when monekia or we talk monekia no hutan no guragbe. One moment like some live video call the life from my house, my head, the life from my head. Anything I let them know people they imagine. I know they understand this kind of thing. When they go, they hurt another people. Now go there, they call those evil people will be there clapping hand, rejoicing, meter. But if you reach out, una want they turn now. If you reach my side, I reach my table, nobody can persuade me to turn it. And nobody can shift me away from where the truth today. I did my ass where they bring up. Any other say make I tell launch a mouth. If you're a lad, it's normal. Share this video, guys. No, don't disturb me. Because now the one they tell say, Abunati sent me the lie yesterday. Why will I lie? I don't know there's a lie, guys. Now monekia na shawo koba your toge, your bar. Now they tear person body go put something inside, go seal and back. Me, I don't do such. As he arrived, now I quickly transfer. I told my first they had transferred before yesterday. Because now yesterday I go publish her. Now I go channel for what I tell you now. Abi, the second one don't ball that. And not only that one, my people. Why the thing they imagine is that some people call they beg. I think yes, they reached about 4 people. This morning, one person. I beg, Mona not they beg you. Mona go beg who send that can't give me. Mona talk for this matter, my people. Mona put through this one. God the heaven, no, I don't want to record their family. They say me they do evil. Then yesterday, I mean 4. When the other say na truth, I call they bring her out for WhatsApp. Person I give me for WhatsApp nah. This morning again, they say they call me like how you sure. Why me not? Oh, me man sure. Now you want me want to share? Okay, me not share this one. Who wear me here share because I know that someone I me talk for this matter on grant. Yesterday, 4 people call me, please, nah, don't share it. Oh, but you don't want me share. Why you confirm want me send that give you? After you don't wash and finish, that time you call the tell me say make I not share. If me not really get her, they not send that call give me you for not call you for this say you for that go call and I lie they lie. I must say the ego man. Also when this idiot baby boy Ojewi when you come and say not be my answer there my people all of una be presenter una ask na the devil that they bring it test call they give una monekia say na ask it where they bring her come me see them my ask na go person ask hey and them ask when they publish I can't give me my people so I don't understand good day now welcome share this video guys give me love and like guys and imagine now that they say I beg Vera nobody should beg me oh Wallahi, Mona not beg me. Wa me beg wa wodo. Because now so na be. If na that person they beat me, also no go beg them, make them stop. When they beat outside that they bring people out, Wama Guaja. If you reach our turn now, when person go bring something, come and say no, it's not good like this. They are benaruangba, you forgive and forget. Forgive and forget, Kini. Forgive and forget waiting. Hey, hello. Ma understand though. Oh, why you there? I'm on live video. I tell you, the basketballs don't ball like my leg. Beg one go me oh. Others sending me a program. Not sure. Now you are one share. Thank you, my darling. You too much. May I clear up for you, Thank you. Yes, so thank you. All right, I'll send that for you, my darling. If I true now, I'll send give people. Thank you. I tell you, I'm gonna share this video. They use the car. I beg. Make na drink. Natural. If I not share, you owe me one share. You bring your money, mega. Because una no fit the sugar for person awa akulo boy when I guy oh. Why not go share am? So I beg me not they call me. I take my house relax. They say trouble, they sleep in your gang call wake up. Many trouble. I they sleep in your gang say, take man, you want me distribute them. I'll call tell your gang say your gang no, go your way on your gang. I'm not going to try to use and do. No buna sit us alele na yak bogioma. Monicalobolobotv said they're not the lolotalkshowlive that will take 5 person enemy. So if I make it go down. When me they find weapon when me go take by Imamia, Nyaga say, trouble we take I hand over it to you. Then me now go say no, I don't need to take it. Leave it. Come on for Nigeria women buy you dear oh. Did we invite you here? Now this one the time me for now. You why you here? You know the law not take the beer. Hello. Oh, come mama. Share this video. Yesterday, 4 people, this morning, 1 person. Maybe not the share, it's okay. Can you imagine? I don't understand those people. Okay. Okay. God bless you. Oh, we had the what's how is available? I'm hero one ever the gumenche. Hero one eh. I want my he says she there has what the son of cocky, but maybe don't remember the son there. Maybe can me boy. A big one go me. Oh, that is the pain now. Is that boy is the pain now? A big one go me. What is she talk? I'm aware you don't we ever said the egg here. If we did not ban us the egg here, you might give me your time. But they give me a body, maybe don't remember said the egg. But I'll give me one. And we go away, go on my is that? I tell you, God, they beg me for what? Not be me bring an axe. So painful. So painful. Come on, me Wesley. Okay, bye. I just tired. Share this video. Give me love and like, guys. I take my ass. When they bring a call, give me. Oh, my dear, they come. Hello, they come and send that for you. Hello. Hello. Oh. Huh? Who? Kalin. Na Kalilan.
I want comment put now. Me see on the program.
Okay, right up put me a come. Mota ye. Abu down. Yeah, people now they sit there. Una they sit there. Erita ro gwa ge ba ya mu ise be ya la tani ba bo na gwa pe. Adem ask, Moneke want talk, he say he dey also when they bring her come. Me ro we me ba fio egime. This one can't be my head sick for inside the matter now. Egbe wa go me o. Hello.
Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon, how you dey? Dey live video.
Mama, I need the video too.
No problem. You have me for WhatsApp. If I throw, I'll see Sharon later.
I already had you.
Okay, I did live video. I not feed the Sharon. I go to disturb my talk. Yeah.
Okay, Mama.
Later. Later. You understand? I did my ass when they bring her come. Then when they connect this our call at Toyosan, when they come, they say not share, if I bola wagbaga uwae. When it be say, I plug this phone. Me no go. My people. Oh, Mona wait now. Be one plug the phone. Set up the charger near here. People they call. Hello. Afternoon.
I need the video.
Fight through later. Yeah, plug on the phone. One may not off. I forget to plug on. Mona just only add me, no calling. If you want call, I'll let to contribute. No calling. Now hear me so only no calling, please. Me I plug the phone. If you want call, it's only to contribute. I go maybe the charge because the phone. If you off now, it was fast. So my people, share this video, guys. Okay. So my beautiful people, share this video, my lovely people. So my people, I did my house when they bring matter come. But when they bring the thing, come say, Vera, see you. We trust you now. You go feel see bring her come outside. So my people, the same thing when Monica they talk say, I said na contribute to. I said I don't want pick up. Hello.
Hello.
Above. Okay. Hello. Array of a mama real live video. Okay, video ni asan digun wo ge Monica wo dudu vagano. Yan san digun me. No. Aga kin yan san de go WhatsApp me na dia. Ere wa no ni. Please, what do you mean, Joe. Oh my problem is Ramago carnival. My real life video. Okay. Later, Mago. So, my people, my dad day is a matter. Edia yare. Na so edia yare ni ate na gisi mona. Mona not they call me. Oh, except you want contribute. If you don't want contribute, share and give me. Not call me. Imu wala. So, my people. So, when I say any bad comments, Mona not insult anybody on my comment section. Please. If you say any comment, just write and say, Vera, block this person. Then make I block and come off so that may go the friend where you go watch her for another junction. Here now, it will not be available for that person. You understand? So, my people, Mona talk for this one when they go be say, they come begin, they tell me, say, hey, ready, now do like that or boah. Because me, they know now, say, una purposely they know what thing that they do us way not good. But when they are doing the thing, when Monica goes sit down, when they go, they talk, they go, blah, say she did it. That time there will be that clapping hand. Oh, carry on. Leader that lead the kiabuhe. Carry on. Go on. This is Juwaro enia. Leader that lead the kiabuhe. Kasi ikbekus for outside. May I come out to here? You are not invited here. I don't know what you they talk. I don't know what to be big line when they talk for here. Come on for here. We don't need you. In a big line, I don't know what you see they do for here. So my people. Now it be the thing. So they are not trying to say, I beg now. My people, more comment out. This guy, I beg now. They accept time. Because since they want to the phone, they want to turn bad person. This time, I beg. Is it accept, yes or no? I not say from my own opinion. It can never be accept because one, I did my ass when they bring and come. The same way she they talk and say, if they ask when they bring and more, yemanjo woman yari I make why waru when any video. So I did my ass when they bring and come, give me. You understand now? So now, me I not gonna do what they country they find Vera for inside. I beg, la ya beg, you beg for waiting now. We beg for waiting. Hello. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I'm on live video.
How body?
Body do.
No, thank you very much. Where's the video you said it going?
Oh, hey, yeah, he said the egg were not. Okay.
Hey, Monica, for your weapon, this
I do vagaya. He was a cat. Me na wa go no wa Kimi.
It's not something what's the
Gba wa me. Anya gi do anya na gba e fera ai ga. Ya ma de ga e gi me. Gba wa go me o. They need to see amo. Gba wa go me we no share na me go find. Na be person give me. But if they give now, they share, they don't go meet and make it not share them again. Yesterday, 5 people don't beg me. Today, 1 person. Yesterday, 4 people. I beg, not share me. Why can't me, boy?
They don't beg. You know the same see why.
Isha, packet, I go boy, you can't boy, I can't see why. Na keteli, I go wa.
I want makeup.
Makeup is bulu aga makeup not be makeup. Ijeme. Otanu gbe ya tonwa. Hey. Amanda no ye kwe la kwa na ekwe mu. Adioti o sabe mi no be ya tell adioti o si. Undan. Okay. Can you imagine? Very irritating. Now be the thing. Oh, one me can't you boss of my own. Only the problem I can. Well, the guy will talk. Well, the other man may you, my way be like what belay. Ejeme. Ekwe make mo ora na mo ole. A se wo ko boko wi ma yan yen. Agba ho Ejeme. Awon egbe. Ejeme yen ma si an wi yen tutu vaga so fa ni go labo. E ba yen keta. Isalobo.
Monica se ti ki oye no kwa chawo.
Ejeme yen we no ti omo eko na we ma the breaking news ga mba mo eko goro we ra bi se ba. Ba ki ta mo na. When not you not all Latiana, we might get money carry of you, not all Latiana beg. You want more call, or more quiver ball. Okay.
Thank you so much. I
What's
appreciate this video.
Thank you, ma. Okay, ma. Thank you. Bye bye, ma. Yeah, thank you, ma. You too. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay, Vera, share the video. Give me love and life. Vera, not share. Now me, no be person send and give me. I man weka uho, we mu agbon ya we toge yo egbe yan fi o egu. Egbe wa me give me okpa. Sharing is unshareable. Sharing is free. They send that for me free of charge. Me go come to use and tell the stingy. If you are giving, if you are giving, chapter close. You understand? If you are giving, see, I can give who still needs them. Because I tell my house when they wake me up, who be that way? They not for my dog. You take it. Did you take it? I say at time. Did you take permission? When they not for my dog, he say take permission. Vera, you need to get up on now. Me want to give you Ogbogadi Tessy right now. Get up, Vera. Come take. Get up, Vera. Come and take this video. If you share this video, people go shop. People go want to see this video because the video interesting because everybody want to see. Very, very interesting. Ogboga anogbola don ko mata iyeki wa iyeki ogebo ododo uhe ladian ejimero wa lafio. Who be this way they call me? You want contribute? Hello. Iyeki uhe ladian iyeki anahin. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello, go I read that video. I talk now. Will they hear you? No problem. I go send down for everybody. No problem. I go send down for everybody. Take a PA chateau. Problem. You need to share for that side. Share me people see. Not go for virus. Oh, one you to ya here. Who I say, yo, you are me. So they say now give me a share for outside. Not be my problem. No, yo, iyaki. You the share people video without permission. Whoever now I get the doggy care. Why the ladia? You say you get private investigation. We too, we get here private investigation. We go bring it, the dark way gang. And then they go let look so. And then they not go Syria. Oh God, that's who they put that for my video? Even born now with bear. Who be this way they put that for my video? A distraction where? So now they cry. Hey yeah, una go cry blood. Hey yeah, now be my fault. Fatima, they say go be careful now. Express they go where. This work bag or when no. He want to. They do ga. They share people video without their permission. It don't give us the privilege to share the video without anybody permission. Come out, body. I bet the music enter be no enter. Come on, body. Uno ganyash for saga. Come on, body. Be your nyash not flats. Many men thought that my okay be food share. He never ready to fight. Come on, body. Why we not share the video? If I not share video yourself, give me make I use that one to replace the one I'm not supposed to share. Simple as say busy. You don't need to bear for ordinary grant. You go do yourself video. Say Vera, you take this one to replace the one where they send for you. So that we not go share a more. Wow. Oh, why we not share video? He must share. Oh, why we not share? Hello, I did live video. Jaru they talk.
Hey, my darling, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, please. I want to see the video.
Of course, everybody need to see the video. So you have to write me. When I will see those distribute it. It's free of charge. Yes.
Right, Lolo's prayer is working.
Yeah, of course, it's really working, no, because I think yesterday Lolo break fasting, and the matter was proven out yesterday. I think he's working. Yes, we can see. Fasting and prayer is the best. Super. No problem, my lady. Just write me.
Okay,
Yeah, all right. We need to the share and free of charge. We need to the guy. Yeah. We need to. Vera, not share the video again. It's okay. They are better walk by it. It's okay. It's okay, my sister. I beg you. What the beg you want to? The people that you have been bringing out, how many beg, don't? How many beg? What the beg do for their life? Oh, we beg. A beg in my bath. I dream my house when they bring the video, they give out to me. They say, please, Vera, help us to share this video. I dream my house to relax. I dey really last for my house when they bring the video. Oh, well, no share. I know share. You can share. When they lie on my head and say me, they use organic cream, they rub me, my husband is doing central. Where are you? Why you not go and telling her, where you there? Also, women not there when they bring a cousin and they see for the kabash. Everywhere is a way. Now you can't know. I know some don't cry. You don't need to cry. Yeah, you don't need to cry. Yeah, no, you don't need to cry. You don't need to cry. Don't charge. You don't need to cry. So right now, my people, that they say Vera. Now you give me that name. That name is very expensive. Why are you calling my name? Calling my name for why would I call him meow? Because I don't know do so. I don't know no me that I go call put blast pest. You go call put blast pest. That blast pest so that may for not the see for when they do. Or the blast pest already the air out. That time she go call sit down. She go call the top matter when you not concerned. The one how many? Even the bagua video when she bring. Please, I need the video. You don't your problem. Add me on WhatsApp. When the bagua will come answer my people. She say I dare my house when they send her give me. So she said she don't even know the person. We used to say we beat and put. No. Well, then what she thought? She said the person send her give her. Now the person block her. Later, when the snake back call the dragger, they pop in yash with pepper and one that will pop on the side with pepper and gamali 20. We call the pop Not be body call the inshan when the pepper call gather for all he break all this knee. We call the say got I go talk that's the rabon your mekuro that's the come out from my west I go talk we come be like one show that they use plantain leaf and broom to the beat. Not be that I got say got now I watch you. I what can't give this one can't give me. Till today, Monica never swear tell us say he not can swear tell us say what da if you give me 1 penny when I tell the matter. Or the person when you send a gift for Italy give me 1 naira to tell the matter. No more back beyond the bola with your what. Monica never come outside and swear say now lie yo. If this person really give money da no dear me not that way say ya sir. Umatia boyo, meanwhile that time you were hungry lion. In fact, you feel bite anybody or bite table. Nobody when they talk the matter, they collect money. My 50,000 back. When my friend call you, you say make me bring 100 euro. Now I answer, I don't get money that they give you. When my friend tell me, you say make I bring 100 euro. Say you not go talk the matter. Do you and then you go talk less of there's no bad one matter. And next time matter when you sit down and talk more than I think you talk the matter. You talk the matter more than I think you talk the matter more than 4 days. If I'm not mistaken, guys. She sits down, talk the matter, nyanya the matter. Even there people were commenting. Are you there? Very good afternoon. You are welcome. Are you there? Are you there? Are you? He said that though. He said not whether he did then the one as a being a true matter in the talk. Then people believe her. And then what did she say? She said if Destiny Bagua and Esther play on Saturday and if Destiny Bagua is there or is Esther there her to play on that day, she's going to explode it. Then what should I call a beg me put? I be Destiny Bagua and not be person where they know. A old grown up man that see cassava roaming about on social media. Were he not a human being? No wana do I me na ye nya me why me. Abu dano babe. So then guys, really she was not trying to tell them what to do. That disguagua will not be there and Esther is not going to play on Manchester on that day, Saturday. And people already ready who buy table on 5 VIP. They are there and you want because you are live video presenter. You are other people. You the other person when carry people go UK, make them not play. That kind of thing cannot be done. That is when disguagua and Esther ready go party for Manchester. What did she do? She came outside and said, okay, now you want to blast it on her. I be the way you blast no good boy. Is that not how you blasted disguagua cassava? That is how you blast disguagua cassava. Una mona moyate. You share it, you say no, it will be horror. No need to share it on. Now share it with Facebook, okay, WhatsApp, share. Really, as you said, you stand by it. You began to share it. You can begin to share it for WhatsApp. That is how the Asha with Papa Wala Sashik. When ya fe wu Gambia. Now so she tells Sharon. So now we got the bag. Now Sharon. Hey guy, if you know you are here, you have not seen it, write me on WhatsApp. Add me. I will send everything to you. My brother is the person I'm not saying you don't come out. I bet if you say I'm not vest and my comment and I'm hide the rich guys small. Write the person make I block her. Here not before all those key. We not be market people. So this plate is not. This platform is not. We not open door for them to come in. It's the gallant and first class people. Now they day here. So you say you need that and you write me for WhatsApp. You understand? So now first class people, the Ogboge people, now they have right to say and listen to the important thing, good thing when they talk. So we not call those who want down. So for you to call, they call me, not player, not the sharer, stop sharing. Are you okay? Vera should stop sharing it. Not the share them again. When you don't share, don't do. Hey, yeah. Oh, okay. The one with me share, don't do. You are not giving me order. What not to do? When somebody give me this thing for free of charge, who will give me not share them? I don't need any apology or beg. You need them. It's not too long, but the person try. Any idea, we still need to give the person thank you for bringing it. Now our good mama, you understand? She just sent a call. Though I don't know the person, no, I don't feel like, but she sent and give me call me say, "See, I'm there with you." He don't send and give you, bring her out. So you say person sit send that for you. Is there anything different there? Give me love and like my people. When at the dance, there's a bubble. They say if you see what you go take by your enemy, you don't need to hesitate. You understand? You don't need to hesitate. So now, woman, maybe she doesn't offend the woman one or two way, or the woman see the thing, she's not happy about it. I think that's the reason why. You understand? So now be the thing. So maybe she's not happy. What she they do? Because really, not everybody that like, not everybody, not be everybody, not be everybody like evil. So I think the way that lady spoke, maybe what they are doing, their conspiracy is too much. And she, maybe, the way she talk, she will be keeping it, just say she go change. And she's not ready to change. She's not ready to change. So, wow, you need it, add me on WhatsApp. If you need it, add me on WhatsApp. Don't call me of sharing video. Please, if you want to contribute. How the matter when they talk now, the way they said we should not share it. How do you think about it? How you look on? Say will not share them again. Say the one I don't share yesterday, you don't do because it's when I threw on live video, 4 of them called me. So this morning, one person, I'm not the lie. So my people, good afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome. So my people, I did my house. And when they send and come, now they say maybe not share them. So me can't disappoint the good people when they follow us, when they see need them. We can't disappoint them. Oh, when this Vera don't define no, I not fair fan, Izzy. Oh, sassy. Oh, sassy. Share it, it is free. Egbe wa woman. Oh, oh, sassy, I fine. No makeup, no fine, I fine. Where is our low boy? Mona, give me love and like. So there, guys. I didn't see any reason why somebody will come out and say you do evil. Anybody call me again, it will be recorded. When you call me again, that one yesterday and today is for mention. I don't want to record somebody. But when you temper and trespass again to my boundary, trespass me again, trespass my word I said today, you want to tell me say no player, no enemy, no player. It's okay, no sharer. Here, come away, you record me. Hello. Good afternoon. I did live video.
Please send it for me, my lady. Thank you. I'll be your friend.
Okay, no problem. Add me for WhatsApp now. You write me, but that one and later if I don't show.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So my people, it's free of charge. Who are they knocking? Oh, oh my darling. Hello.
Hello, my lady. Not my dad. You too fine.
Oh, thank you.
You resemble a toady.
Your
face too fine. That would be like
people's one killer. See everybody.
Do festival for August. I to say go peace.
Oh, if you see that area, you need to see my sister.
They go video Marita, the sharer, say title word. This man they go find the woman who be carry come out. They not tell them say they know they share. Don't that fire who they talk that thing.
Can you imagine?
Sharer, if you sharer give me now, I go help you see sharer.
Yes. Yes.
Useless. You that woman don't know what to use for her. Very any woman, they better than not share. They record people without their passion. Wait, lift the break.
Can you imagine?
Share.
Can you imagine? They don't let me rest yesterday. Hey, not share them again. This morning, you I think I better call. Hey, you share it. One way, don't share it. Don't do. Why not money?
See, but then yesterday, just start, the sword good they give my market. You see, as God, you see, people when they serve devil, if see, may I let them know what. If you want serve devil, serve devil. If you want serve God, serve God. I'm saying go pull leg, yeah. God will disgrace you and like say tomorrow not.
Oh, be this now, person they call.
You see, as God take punish all of them, God will select to now be better people when I get.
Share this video, give me love and like.
God select all of them. You can't select all of them for one side.
Eh.
The demon and the devil, the agbanjes and the witches and
okay, write me on WhatsApp. Okay, no problem.
All the babalawo, Osman, with the God select all of them.
Who be this one? Somebody they call. Ah, wait.
Jesus.
Can you imagine?
It's too bad. See, they are very ugly. See,
they be like hippopotamus.
See, Izzy, very ugly.
Very ugly.
No, this one wait
Kate.
Italo first lady. When
say that one be. Oh, time.
That one very ugly. The girl other way must be open like Sherry. Sherry wait. Yeah. You will see the tally way they color the way dry like boga. That one very ugly. Just say as God must select all of them, all the useless demons.
Hey.
They do for a shower road though. When you say all the money with their work, they know that they do better things. So babalawo, now their money they go very near people. I bet share made they go there.
Thank you. Of Izzy. If I want me boy I show it.
Now not the bed who actually this thing. Now not the bed they pee. They pee like
poverty one finish am.
This thing.
Hey.
Bed where woman be they sleep because they carry bed where they don't throw away for dustbin. What say in the leader that leader and normally you be leader that lead the evil follow you. Your title fit well. Nobody go drag her from you. All right, my lady,
thank you. All right, no problem. Thank you. I tell ya, no share. I know share. Wow. No call me again, no. Because why what all those people know say they not go do. When Monica sit down, they carry person matter. They not go tell and say matter. This matter does not concern you. You come up body for this matter. They beg him, boy. One they call me. I regret it, man. This one don't they call from UK. Hello.
My lady, Baba.
Come on, my live video. yes, Momosa. He said, he said, Mona de put him, oh, go almost oblige to take care. Hey, oh, go walk bonny ne, on ye. Hey, take care. Who should I be post my number? My number is a low boy, man. So another work now one give me. Somebody help me write the number out. Me I pin her here. Please, guys, help me to write the number out so that I can pin it here. To write her here now go difficult for me sumo. Oh, just only add me for WhatsApp, please. Oh, my mama be they call me. Now if you call back now, we want contribute. Now if you call back, okay. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, my lady. How you doing?
Hello?
Hello. We dey hear you.
Hello?
Hello, we dey hear you.
Yeah, okay.
They hear you.
Vera.
Oh, mama.
I don't know why I want to get notification.
What do you do? You come out and enter again. Or like come again, go work. Now so they do.
I think contribute.
Yeah, we dey hear you. Okay, thank you. Somebody do it.
I see that video today. I open my mouth. I know it will feel close mouth.
Okay.
How can a married woman expose yourself
like that?
All those names where they come on, Monica is like a dog.
Hey, Jesus! Share this video, give love and like. Now wait there, maybe some of them never seen him. Hey,
me I know they get notification.
and you come outside like him again, so that me feel they follow.
So, Monica na puppy dog.
Hey.
She watch and finish. How can a married woman at the same thing Monica put the children do? Monica, if you know what is good for you, make I use this and talk this one.
Hey! Hey!
Where Monica? Where you're here? When you're here, but where? But where? When you put your room and soak it, then they will not say, Joe, don't finish.
Hey!
Monica, you're not a human being.
Hey!
You use that trust, you destroy a husband.
Pata. Finish
Head, what Lolo said, Ambrose was working. Monica, Ambrose was a man when you met him. Monica, you destroyed that man, you destroy everything that man represents. Monica, to the extent now, you transfer the same thing to your children. You transfer the same thing to your children, Monica.
Hey!
Your first daughter, Bele, I had me get your daughter age.
Hey!
House. Deny the study. You know the think of saying boy to girlfriend today. He studied.
Hey!
He left when I could not leave the school, when I could not have the opportunity to go in Africa, Monica. That is what the life I'm preparing for my children.
Hey!
Monica is dressed.
That pikin na just they hide the pikin they go. Hey, Monica, why that banya wa mwele here? She they hide the pikin. Hey!
You are disgrace to motherhood.
Hey!
Grace, Monica.
Hey!
Same thing. So useless we know they follow you not the same.
All of them are the same. Hey!
He said push them enter.
Hey!
Just a disgrace, Monica.
When I go back.
You love said in fact carry snap to drink up.
Oh, what me boy I want.
When go here prosecute, you carry a prosecute, destroy.
Give me love and like, guys. Share this video.
Now I'm going to Kate. That one for Monica. Kate, your life will miserable.
Oh.
I tell you. Your end, and your mama. That's your.
Now you for mama. Share the video. Get take care. See their gang.
Your useless mama, your mama will go back or key.
Asha walk up boy. Is no you walk solo show. Hey.
You are not fear. Your mama, when you carry a call from Africa, maybe they even pity that your mama when they.
Oh, like mother, like daughter. Now today they talk her.
Hey, your mama, Your mama disgrace where we enter, man. You go down.
Woto.
Fear no catch on a picking where your mama no born.
Mona de pute me.
Johnny of no return to the picking.
Hey. Hey.
God, the disgrace on my wife by one Kate tonight. You come on live video, see as your face dry.
Hey.
Be like a ghost, living ghost.
Hey.
Kate, let me tell you one thing. You see now, I be not the like whether they curse you, curse your children, and you choose your hand. Carry what they make that they curse your children.
Oh.
Anybody when they curse your children, so shall it be.
Yes.
Because your mama can get mind for commodity. Because they curse.
Oh no, that person picky. Now they see them. Now they see them.
Hello?
Will they hear you, my lady? Talk. They hear you.
Una not fear. Fear not catch you now. Una call the curse person picky. Eh? Katie. Disgrace they come upon una.
Amen.
Grace, the big disgrace is coming. Now, at least your bed they don't come out now, they insult you. You never see anything.
They never see. Amen. Amen. I must be better.
Because of social media. To the extent they do it temptation for
una person picky.
Are you in Marzuka baby who be CEO of Facebook? What is with you people? Monica, if you not be Marzuka
then of another person. Tanupo.
Nobody for the use Facebook. Disgrace now go enter your mama.
Amen. Mona put a me for them.
They go they do a shower. They go they kokopiri dog. Boy finish. I think that she said they use lemon. They wash it to talk. They don't talk. You don't see the disgrace.
Hey, share the video.
Mama, when you break, come, they come do a mugo. You come carry enter, come they balance you. Saga. Saga la na wait the ticket. Online money type.
Eh. Hey. Amen. Mona de put amen. Amen.
Not Lolo head.
Amen. No go reach lolobo.
No, na head no secretary.
Amen.
Una go use a carry Katie. Now God na even you say that disgrace.
Can you imagine? Hey.
You do not hold Sarah. You not even penetrate on Sarah.
Hey.
Now God just put Sarah there. He put Sarah there. Make Sarah disgrace una. Make Sarah carry una evil plan come on social media. Sarah, my dear sister, can't you do not penetrate on you? It is the work of God. God just sent you go there. God sent you go there. May you see their evil plan. May you bring them out. May you bring them out of the light so that the world will know them. It's your Bible. It's your Bible.
Share this video.
Hello?
Will they hear you, my lady? They talk. Will they hear you?
Yeah. It's your Bible. Be a care slave.
A care slave. Achiewo. They said that was not the swear for a mama.
You not the shaming. You not see Cora when it is pregnant. She has a body little correct. Her husband is so bad. You see the way you carry that baby for 9 months. Now so swear you did.
The belly that past 9 months. I cook better 9 months. 10 months of work back better now. My beer. What it be 9 months?
Instead of you to the think how you go take deliver safely. What's your body? You are there, putting mouth.
The pregnant woman dey fight trouble. Pregnant woman dey fight trouble. Now you dey 10 months. 9 months don't pass. 10 months of work back better now. 10 months now they pass. So if they less than 9 months, they let then Allah say woman we never born not get high. 10 months don't pass.
I tell you, you the talk say little time on where you come from.
Now today start to break egg. Months don't pass and now to board the pikin now. Almighty. If they put the frustration for people body for social media. They huemu.
She the talk say Rita another way come from Papa no say no. This is your bad. You never see person where do. Not everybody they do to me. As I tell you say you shall be to do now. What now will tell you what you will happen.
Now today, ere magbe to fele, papa no keep fly. As they drop our Facebook, the papa ogbe de na huyo dona ona huona resurrecti. O magbe to fele. Leave that one.
When your papa know it's your birthday. If your papa forget that to do, why you so shoot?
Papa said that belle must pass 10 years. Oh man, don't get straight to level. Can you imagine? Pregnant woman. 10 months don't pass. They say that 9 months is there now. Pregnancy is 9 months. Like go kill you. Now all those your foolish people you can deceive. Not be person like me.
It's your birthday. You say your papa blah blah blah. Useless on social media. You are doing porno to fit. It's your birthday.
Mama, amazing grace.
Last time you say, oh, you want to buy a house. I'm waiting for you to buy a house. Common house. You cannot rent. Now even social, I give you house. It's your birthday. Me, I tear you. It's your birthday. Come on for social hands. Go arrange.
I tell you, now that is it there. Nekwemu. I just say now let me the same.
Say you the bad baby thing. You the class. Say this is too expensive. It's your birthday. Me I tear you. The way when I say the bad, I tear you to buy the carry 5,000 euro. Come and go and buy baby thing.
Oh, thank you for your stuff.
They say I'm working. I don't see work when you they work. Everybody sit there in the house, carry camera, say on social media, say they are working. It's your bad one.
They lie. Not be one girl that say borrow easy hair, borrow money to buy motor die. Ne huemu liar. Oh, we ain't why me.
Rest for Bele.
Hey.
It's your body now, your head now you will take care.
Amen. I never see.
Your head and that useless man will not be man. Will be empty vessel. That useless.
Down I back for the run up and down like car blues. Only one will levy a care. Where? Jesus.
My husband the read master. My husband the read master. See English where your husband they speak. You will come on social media. They form English. They cut on your tongue. It's not bad to saga. Because when you cut your that innocent people will enter your head.
Are we in what?
It's not bad your head and that's your stupid and bulky head. Now you will take career. It's not bad that saga now when it's not bad they think how you will take both safely. You said no. Vera don't tell you earlier. Say that you can come out to her for this matter. You can't say no.
I tell them come on body. Oh, mommy Juju, you are welcome, ma. Thank you, ma.
You see, you're so bad that you dead pregnant. You can't come on, you go now what they talk about people. Because of social media. Social media is big for everybody.
Then why you die put?
Take care.
I love Vera hair yesterday. Yeah. Thank you. This one with the long one. Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
What I would tell Sarah, make you know the thought say you to do not penetrate on you. Now God let carry you put for there.
Okay. Give me love and like. Thank you, my people. Wanna share the video. Thank you. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Thank you. So, my people, you not gonna know when is the uwo go almost so bijeket. You want what? Is me they put them go ga bijeket. Amen. Oh go ga bijeket. Amen. Oh go ga bijeket. Mona they put them go ga bijeket. Oh go ga bijeket. Ubege nata. Oh go ga bijeket because una evil for this social media. Ni market for day. Do it attention for another person, but obviously good when obviously good when niya. So again, obviously good when who be this? Hello.
Hello.
Hey, ma.
Baba.
Baba.
Yeah, they contribute to.
Okay, my nuta. My nuta. Hey. 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 Hey, mega horn. Hey. Hey. Can you imagine? Ade don't say mama good. Mama good. Mama good. Now mama called they took attention for another person picking. Hey. Hey. Where's the money? Yes. Ça boise. Ça boise. Okay, my lady, thank you so much, ma. Thank you. Yeah. So, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all, my people, Thank you. God will continue to bless us. So we'll round up now, guys. So in the evening or tomorrow, we continue for the video, guys. If you never seen us, some people say man as writer for inbox, they will send her. So for WhatsApp as well, you can write me. I will send and give you. So my people, me I go look for I find something to eat, guys. So thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Later in the evening, join me. And please, today is your first time, Don't fail to follow this page. No, not they follow this, but not they like this page. Don't fail to follow this page, please. Hello. Afternoon, ma. I'm on live video. It's a speaker. Okay. If I true now, I'll send them.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay. So, guys, can write me there. So now, some my people, we are still on the matter, guys. So before we call they go forward higher. So follow this page, And if you don't say no, they receive alert. Sometimes it's like that. If not, they receive notification. You got to go back there, enter, come out again, enter again, or just like, so that like now be better. But when you like, anytime you go, they get notification. Follow. Sometimes you know they get notification like who like. So you can like, enter the page, like, you know, they get notification. So that anytime I enter, they get notification. Maybe after I don't do video finish, maybe how many hours before you call they see the video. Not make sense like that. As we there with the talker, you say go see they get your opinion, you want to contribute, anything you want to talk, you still talk. You understand? So like this page, get matter there. Asa atuari, like no sumba. Lenu suba. You need the video. Dogo nisaya sewa. So now, so guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Love you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, 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 bye.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware.